Hello, mathematicians. It's time for us to do a little math today. And today I'm going to share with you some number rhymes that you can say when you're writing your numbers so that you remember how to form them correctly, okay? So we'll say these a lot during the school year, and you can practice writing these on your own. Remember, Mrs. Clark gave you a whiteboard. If you have that, I want you to go get it, and I want you to put it on your lap, because I want you to practice this with me while the video is going. If you don't have it, you can pause this and go get a piece of paper and come right back, okay? So let me share my screen with you. You are also patient when Mrs. Clark shares her screen so that you can see the work that I'm doing. So thank you for being patient. On your whiteboards that Mrs. Clark gave you, you have a side that's empty and white, like this. And then you have a side that has lines on it. I want you to use the side with lines on it for today. It will help us, okay? And then I want you to take a whiteboard marker and just draw a line down the middle. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Just do your best, okay? And I'm going to show you how I'm going to write some numbers. And we'll do just one small one or a few small ones here, but then after the video, I want you to see how many more you can do across. You can even erase and do again. They do not have to be perfect. We're just learning and we just do our best, okay? So if we're counting, let's count all together first. Remember how we can show with our fingers? Get your hands up first, and let's practice counting from 1 all the way to 10. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're gonna practice writing. So I'm gonna take the lid off of my whiteboard marker and put it on the back. That just kind of keeps track of it, okay? And then I'm gonna come up here to the top left-hand corner, and this is where I will write that first number, 1. And watch Mrs. Clark. The blue line is kind of like the sky. That should be on the top. If it's upside down, just flip it. You could just flip it, okay? And the red line is kind of like the ground, okay? So watch Mrs. Clark. This is what I say. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line down that's very quick. Say that with me and do it with me. Ready? Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line down that's very quick. Did you see that? Do one more and say it with me. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line down that's very quick. Okay, that's how we'll do a 1. You can always pause and practice more if you want, or we can keep going. So 1, 2. This is what we say when we're doing number 2. For number 2, go right around to make a line across the ground. Did you see that? Let me say it again. I'm going to put my marker up towards the top, not all the way at the top though. For number 2, go right around, then make a line across the ground. Say it with me. For number 2, go right around, then make a line across the ground. Good job, boys and girls. You're doing so good. You should be doing this with me. Here's what we will say for number 3. Go right around, what will it be? Go round again to make a 3. Did you see that? Do it again. Go right around, what will it be? Go round again to make a 3. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to go to 5 today. I'm thinking I want you to get really lots of practice with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll do more next week, okay? For 4, you have to lift your marker up. This will be the first one that we lift our marker up off of our whiteboard with. This is what we do. For number 4, we start at the top and it goes like this. Down, over, and then we lift up. Then down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Did you see that? It rhymes. These all rhyme. You'll get this. Don't worry. We'll say these all year. And so by the end of the year, you'll be professionals. It's okay if you don't get it all the first time. Watch me again. Down, over, then down some more. That's the way to make a 4. We'll do it one more time. Down, over, then down some more. That's the way to make a 4. And we will do just the 5 and be done for today because I want you to have lots of time to practice, okay? So really, you probably don't even need that line in the middle, but you could leave it and practice even more over here. This is what we say for number 5. Now, we're going to start up at the top again on that blue line, and we go like this. Go down, around, and then you stop. Finish the 5 with the line on top. Did you see that? Let me show you again. Go down, around, and then you stop. Finish the 5 with the line on top. One more time. That's usually one of the favorites. Go down, around, and then you stop. Finish the 5 with the line on top. Okay, so boys and girls, you should have quite a few of these already written on your whiteboard. What I would like you to do is I would like you to either, don't erase these yet, either rewind the video and do more with Mrs. Clark while the video is playing and you can practice the rhymes again. Or if you feel pretty good about remembering the rhymes and writing your numbers, you can just stop the video and practice. You could even go all the way across. Maybe you want to show which ones you did first, and then on this side, you want to do them all over again and show how much stronger you are, okay? When you are done, boys and girls, I want you to take a photo of this and show it to Mrs. Clark, or you can even take a little video and hold it up and do some counting out loud on the video, and then push the green check mark on Seesaw, okay? Great job, boys and girls. See you later.